Hello guys, this is the Mosquito, 80 centimeters wingspan. I've done the replacement of the tails from balsa to foam with the same weight, but a bit longer boom. I've also changed the pylon of the horizontal stabilizer to a V-shaped. I'd say I ditched the balsa one. This is it. Also from the side. It's the same weight, but a bit better support for the horizontal sub. Wow. I could launch this one pretty high, almost thermal height. I got a thermal there. Indication of the bird flying without flapping. Today it's a big play day. We have an airsoft event on this area. Okay. Tingnan. Kala siya. That's really high for a launch of this size. I can easily get in the thermal zone of around 30 meters, let's say, and work my way from there and up. Early in the morning, the thermals are choppy and small and short, both in width and height.
1 minute.
I got something low here. Easy 1 minute flights. Wow. Super high launches. I've been doing some launching exercise lately with a rubber band. Yeah, I think this helped me a lot. Mostly to strengthen my movement. As you can see here, I've got a thermal. Better here. I'm readjusting my turn. Gaining height. light thermals, not very strong, but they're exactly what this small glider needs. See there, good bump. Let's bring it towards me. Look how fast it goes, travels on speed mode, which is about a couple of clicks down elevator on this ruder elevator. Πού είσαι ρε μορφέ?
Σας έχουν ενημερώσει φαντάζομαι.
Κάθε Σαββατοκύριακο εδώ δεν είστε? Αφού σας ξέρω.
Αφού σήμερα όμως θα γίνει πιο μάχη.
Εντάξει, άμα δω τα δύσκολα.
Είναι μεγάλο σήμερα event.
Άμα δω τα δύσκολα θα τα μαζέψω και θα φύγω.
Όχι, δεν λέω κάτι τέτοιο. Απλά να έχετε λίγο το νου σας.
Τι είναι σήμερα? Η γιορτή του Airsoft?
Ναι, απλά έχει πολύ κόσμο σήμερα, γι' αυτό έχετε λίγο το νου.
Να είσαι καλά. Airsoft guys are warning me that the bullets will be flying by and to be careful. When the fight goes on, you probably can see them running and popping through the trees and bushes. They always pay respect and don't bother me. Sometimes they shoot my planes down. Let's bring it down. Nice. Tom Cruise. All right, good one. Wow. It's really high, the launches. Also, the pylon seems to hold great. It was about the same all-up weight as the balsa one, about 0.5 grams altogether. But it really supports the horizontal stabilizer better. And it also looks better. This all-up weight is 71 grams. When I first built it, it was around 68. But I had a wind break, so I had to make a bigger repair, and this gained a couple of grams. Now its all-up weight is around 72 grams. Yeah, let's go for another one, a good one. Wow. My launches get better and better every time I launch. Look at that. I think the rubber band workout really helps. I'm gonna keep on doing that. Yeah, perfect. The weather is perfect today. Now let's sit here at the thermal and try to work it up.
1 minute.
Streamer is pointing that way anyway. When I hit the thermal and settle on a certain angle of the wings, then I mostly use the upper elevator. Here is just small movements of the up elevator to keep me in the right spot. It's workable. In such weather, it's a joy to fly. The small DLG really likes speed. Doesn't like to be flown slowly. I don't know why. But I think it really performs when flown faster. Slowing it down with a bit up elevator, it's only when I want to maintain a small radius turn when I'm on a thermal, and not always. Here again, another one, a low one. I think I'm going to make this one. The streamer is there, showing that direction. Nice one. Must be close by. A bit on the back here. Yeah, here. Being very patient here. It's probably the referees from the airsoft team. Yeah, nice one. It's crazy launch height. Nice one.